Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily restore missing desktop icon in your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin our video. So on my PC there have only this PC and recycle bin, but there have also missing network icon and user folder icon already missing. And how can I restore them? So let's begin. First of all, right click on your mouse, select personalize. Right now select themes and scroll down, or you can right side there have an option desktop icon settings, select it. Right now here you can see there have only two icon, computer and recycle bin. These two option available, but this two option is missing. So how can I restore them? Just select network and uh, user file and then select apply and OK. Right now let's back, and here you can see network and user icon already restored. So in this way you can restore missing icon in your Windows 10. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.